All right, when I bought this kickstand was, the locking bolt busted off, so that's what we're going to work on today. All right, finished up the tires yesterday, so today's, like I said, going to be jumping at the kickstand. I've already I tried starting it yesterday and just couldn't get a good connection, so I cleaned up all the contacts and threw it on the charger. So I'll try starting in a little while, just to keep it running, make sure everything's good to go for when the snow actually. So the plan is to punch a center lead punch to get the drill bit started. Hopefully I can get in the center. It's really awkward. This is like 5 inches off the ground, kind of difficult, but try to try to find the right spot. All right, this is gonna be, we'll see if this works. It's broken off. It's not perfectly flat, so I'm gonna try to punch a hole in the center and then slowly drill it. Don't know if how much luck I'm gonna have. If I can't get it in the center the first time, I'll try to grind it and do it again. Worst comes to worst, I'll just drill it out and just put in a new bolt. But I'll see if I can get the old one. Ah, you suck. Not in the middle. Let's try it again. That's better. So, try that. Again, try my Irwin extractor set. See if I can get the right one. Oh crap, suck. So it's a little windy today, so apologize for the noise. What size is that? So, all right, I think I got the right size. Let me try drilling this out and see what we can do. Nope. All right. Need to, even though I got the, maybe I'll get a smaller drill bit. Pilot it. I'm just gonna try to just do it, but get a pilot hole on there instead of trying to go right for the one I want. Let me start a pilot hole. That's better. Try something real quick. Ha! Let me lift that out. Well, that's good. At least just thought of that. Let me get that out of the way. So let's go next size up and see what happens. See if we can get it to work. I definitely got to. I got the hole there. Let me grind the surface of it because it's an angle. It's an it's broken in this way. I'm exaggerating it, but it's broken in this way, so it wants to keep traveling to the right. So let me maybe face it off real quick with a file, and then try it again. All right, now that's leveled off. I don't know if it's definitely not perfectly centered, so I'll definitely have to be careful once I try to use the extractor not to snap it. But like I said, this is not an ideal situation, so.
Yeah, definitely not in the middle. I'll try it anyways.
I don't know. Let's see the see if I can get the extractor to bite. Yeah, it'll bite. So, all right, let me start heating it up. Get some liquid wrench and we'll start doing it. Hold on. So I'm going to use propane this time because my map set is over on the mounted the bench, so I'm going to just try propane this time. Let that sit for a minute, then I'll repeat it, and I'll try the extractor. Nope. Alright, so I'm not gonna keep going. I just noticed, as much as I thought I had it straight on, it's not. So last time I did this, it snapped. So, well, oh well, shit happens. It's only, and I can do so much. Backyard repair here, so let me, I have to just drill it out now. Alright, drilled it a few different times. I actually broke the back half of the bolt off, so just got to go to roughly the final size, even though it is, as you can see, it's off-centered. That's kind of the problem. Oh well, hey, that's why this is just for me personally. It's why I'm not a trained mechanic. Never claimed to be. So shit happens. So let me get the larger drill and drill it out. All right, drilled it out. I think I'm going one size up from what it originally was. I think. because I think this is, yeah, I think it was a 3/8 16. Sorry, right there. I think this was originally a 3/8 16th bolt, which makes sense. A lot of bolts like that on Gravely, so I've gone up to 7/16, which would be a little bit beefier. So don't know if I have a bolt that size. Might have to buy one, but it's kind of an odd size. But I'll tap it, and then we'll just need a bolt. That's it. So we're good. So yeah, I mean, I tried the extractor. You know, sometimes it wins, sometimes it works. If you have better conditions, that's what usually what happens with those, is you need the best conditions. So all right, I think we're done. Just got to find the elusive 7/16 bolt, which I don't know if, like I said, don't know if I have. But all right, YouTube, see you later. Hey, would you look at that? Went through. I guess it pays off to be a pack rat when you pick up and save just about everything.